Hello viewers and subscribers, thank you for connecting with me again. Today I am going to discuss with you one of the famous vitamin supplement by Vitamin C effervescent tablets. Sunshine Pharmaceuticals produce this nutrition product of vitamin C day to day life. We are taking this essential by US FDA, Food and Drug Administration and NIH recommended this product, friends. Now I am going to show you what is the uses and overview of this medicine. The main overview of this medicine is related to the so many organs can easily having the healthy. Taking this healthy means taking this vitamin C can you maintain the healthy function of tooth, teeth, blood vessels, bones and normal function of the immune system, and also prevent the different types of disease which are attacking the human system. And also the essential main is vitamin C, that is the vitamin C deficiency if occurs means in human, the deficiency that is the bleeding gums and loosening teeth. While we are daily brushing means the spitting means blood will come, that is the bleeding gums and loosening teeth, that is scurvy can also easily taking one tablet can prevent by using this, and also can give the healthy bone and also prevent the disease of bones in future also, friends. And third uses of this medicine is mainly related to the blood vessels. It also prevent the blood vessel disease and increase the coagulating factor, and also having the normal blood plasma level, which is essential for our human body. And what is the fourth uses is mainly related to the gives the whitening, brightening skin, and it is the free radical. It gives the brightening skin, flawless and blemish free skin, friends. It is the mainly helpful in the skin also. Vitamin C is essential for the skin also, dermatology. It also maintains the immune system and preventing the disease attacked by human body and human system, and decreases the stress and anxiety, reduces the tiredness while we are working the heavy work, can also increases the energy also. We can easily available in Amazon throughout the globe. You can get, I'm giving the link in the description. By clicking that the link, you can easily available in Amazon. I given the original product of this Sunshine Nutrition Vitamin C. It is available in Amazon, friends. It is the link in description. You can easily get this medicine, that is supplement by home delivery. What is the ingredient available in this medicine? That is supplement, that is vitamin C 1000 milligram is available. It is not adulterated and not there is a crude of vitamin C nutrition. No need to worry about the side effect. It is 100% side effect free. No need to worry about the side effect. It having the all peoples can take. The age of what is the direction to use means we need to take only one effervescent tablets in 200 ml of water. What? Again I am saying only one effervescent tablet in 200 ml of glass water, not more than one, friends. If you are taking more than one means having the hypervitaminosis, that is increasing of vitamin C, problems will occur, like loose motion, like that problems will occur. This and all, friends. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe and click the bell icon.